Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be doing a healthy dessert jam, also in French and Creole it's called Confiture. I pre-washed my apples and bananas. I have over here a Caribbean cinnamon with regular cinnamon powder and vanilla extract with sweet and low. Also, you can use brown sugar or granulated sugar if you don't have sweet and low. And last but not least, I usually use honey to add on to it. It's missing, but make sure you add honey at the end to bring up the flavor, okay? So let's get started. I have the water boiling for about 5 minutes. Then I will be adding the cinnamon. I added the apples and the sugar, and you should let it boil for about 15 minutes. If you want it to be a little bit more softer or a little bit more firm, it depends on the amount of minutes that you want to put, but the least is to have it for 15 minutes. Be adding a little bit of vanilla extract. As you can see, it starts to look totally different, and it's wonderful. It tastes so good. It's not quite done yet. I'm just going to add the cinnamon powder just now. I just added a drop of honey with some slice of banana, and this is the jam form. This is the original form, okay? And it tastes so good. It's so delicious. Please try it out, and I hope you do it well so it can taste exact same way. It's very simple actually, so please enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment, and let me know how it goes. Thank you for watching so much, and stay tuned for my next video.